Pag may nagsabi sa'yo na hindi nila kilala ang IMG, ipakita mo lang ito. IMG is featured on front page of the Philippine Star, one of the most respected newspapers in the Philippines. Alam mo, maraming nagtatanong sa akin, legit ba talaga ang IMG? At naintindihan ko naman kung bakit. Kasi pag pera, savings, investments, at financial planning ang pinag-uusapan, dapat talaga maging maingat. Pero here's what I always tell to people. Marami lang natulungan ng IMG regarding financial literacy for more than 2 decades. Hindi to company na basta na lang lumitaw kahapon. For more than 20 years, IMG has been educating Filipinos about proper money management, saving and investing, healthcare planning, insurance protection, retirement preparation. At ngayon nakita mo na nasa front page na ng Philippine Star. Honestly, isa ako sa natulungan ng IMG dito sa abroad. May mga financial strugglers. Dito ako na unang natuto ng financial literacy. Dito ako natutunan ng budgeting, paying myself first, saving, investing, and long-term financial planning. At malaking bahagi ito pa kung bakit nagbago ang direksyon ng financial life ko. Kaya kung isa ka sa Pilipino na gustong matuto na mas maayos humawak ng pera, mag-ipon, mag-invest at maghanda para sa future, maybe it's time for you to closer look IMG. If you want to know more about IMG, just message me and I will guide you.